Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 1. Today we are going to start English grammar class. You can take out your English grammar book chapter 12 page number 46. In page number 46 you can see use of a, and the. So when we use a, and the, you have to write now. We have already learned about vowels and consonant. We use a before words being with a consonant. So when we use an before a vowels word. So when we use a before a consonant word and the before a place name. So when we use a before a being with a consonant word and being with a vowel word. For example, B. This is not a vowel word. F. ये भी vowel word नहीं है. H. This is also not a vowel word. C. So being with a consonant word we use a, and being with a vowel word like a, e, I, o, u are called vowels. So I is also a vowel word. A is also a vowel word. I, a, o, u, e is also a vowel word. So in a vowel word we use an, and in a consonant word we use a. So in next page you can see the is used before words such as the earth, the Ganga, the sun, the Taj Mahal, the moon, the building, the Ramayana, the Qutub Minar. So when we use the in a place or in a book. So when we are talking about place, or when we are talking about natural things, or when we are talking about books, we use the. And when we use a before a consonant word and before a vowel word. So these are the examples you can see. A bell, a fish, a hen, a watch, a car, a rabbit, a bull, a lion. So B. Because of B we are using a. Because B is a consonant word. Because of F we are using a. Because F is also a consonant word. Because of H is also a consonant word. That's why we are using a. Now I is a vowel word. That's why we are using a, and. So these are the words that we use when we use a before a vowel word, a and before a vowel word, and a before a consonant word. So you can see exercise for assignment. Take the correct option. I ate dash apple. So what we have to use here? Here is a vowel. So I ate an apple because of the vowel word. Karan is reading dash book. So this is not a vowel word. So what we have to use? Karan is reading a book. The Ganga is a holy river. So this is a Ganga. So this is a name. So we are using the Ganga because this is a place name. That's why we are using the. Dash Qutub Minar is in Delhi. So because of the place name we are using the Qutub Minar. Like this we have to use. In a vowel we have to use an, in a consonant word we have to use a, and in a place or a book or natural things we have to use the. Fill in the blanks with a, and, or the. So you can see O is a vowel word. So an orange. E is also a vowel word, and I an insect, an engine. Next, a nose, a mango, the river, the sun, the moon, a plant, the Yamuna, an animal, a tree, the bus. You can write a bus also, a bus, a train, a fox, an arm, an ear, an egg, a fruit. So like this you can fill in the blanks. You can fill the box. Exercise A, exercise B and exercise C. You can do this in your copy. Look at the pictures and put A and or the. So I'll give you one example so you can write by yourself. So this is a place. First you have to see the picture. So this is the place. So what you will do? What you will use? The garden. So when there is a place name, we use the. For example, this is a ice cream. So what we have to use? And ice cream. Like this you have to do. So this is your homework. Now in next page, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with a and the. So A and the. This is the pictures of dash jungle. So this is the pictures of the jungle because of the place name. Because this is the picture of the jungle. There are many animals here. There is an elephant. Why? Because of vowel word. A lion, a monkey, a zebra and a rabbit. And all is sitting at the top of tree. So you can write the also, you can use the also and the rabbit. Now fill in the blanks with correct words. I have dash uncle. So you is a vowel word. So what we have to write? I have an uncle. Yesterday I went to dash market. So market is a place name. What we have to use? I went to the market with him. I had dash ice cream. So you can see I is a vowel word. That's why we have to use an ice cream. But my uncle had dash burger. So B is a consonant word. What we have to use? A burger. I bought a packet of biscuits and dash bottle and the bottle of cold drink. So he only had dash cup of tea. So he only had a cup of tea. We also purchased a few things from the bazaar. So we have finished the chapter 12. You can do this in your copy. Exercise A, exercise B, exercise C, D and E. So you have to do this in your copy. When we have to use A in a consonant word, we use A in a consonant word and A in a vowel word. And when we use the in a place name, in a book's name, so we use the. So we have finished the chapter 12. For today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.